friends. Welcome to my channel Kid Story Creations. Hurry! Hurry! Help me catch that cat. She stole my sock and ran off. Snatch her. Grab her. Catch that cat. Look! Look! There she goes. Come on, climb. She's in the tree. Catch that cat. Quick! Fast! Catch that cat. Eek! She jumped. I just missed her. Thank goodness. The sock helped her float. Come on. We've got to catch that cat. Are we ever going to catch that cat? Watch out, everybody. That is one fast cat. Did you see her jump on a duck? Look at them float. I hope my sock stays dry. Clever cat. We'll catch you yet. But how? Shoo, quiet. Let's hide here. Here's our chance to catch that cat. Gotcha! Wow! Look here. The sock is for her babies. What sweet kittens. Quick! Catch all those cats. We'll bring them home. They can have all my socks. Hi kids. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos.